Hello. It's so good to be here. It's Mama Babe, and I see you, and you, and you, and you. Hello, hello, my friends. Can you say hello? My name is Mama Babe. Can you say hello? We're gonna have some fun. Are you ready to play? Tell me your name, my friends. Tell me your name. Come on, call it out. Oh, yes, I love those beautiful names. And I love starting with this song, don't you? Mama Babe welcomes you to Secrets of the Heart.
Secrets of the heart. Secrets of the heart.
Rainy, can you call Bhutan so he can help us with the Young Masters Pledge? Oh, it sounds like rain, doesn't it? Okay, are you ready? Can you all stand up? I see you and you. Is everybody standing? Okay. Oh, you too. Here we go. Make a peace sign with your right hand, place it over your heart, and repeat after me. Ready? I promise
I promise
to use my gifts
to use my gifts
every day
every day
in every way,
in every way,
for I am a young master.
for I am a young master.
Peace.
Peace.
Oh, very good, young masters. You may be seated. Are you sitting crisscross applesauce? Oh, what's that? Oh, yes. Rainy says she'd like to do the breathing song today. Let's raise our hands first to thank the sun. Thank you for shining, sun. Let's put our hands like this on our lap. Let's breathe the sunlight in and out. Close your eyes. Oop, are your eyes closed? Didn't that feel good? Oh, yes, Rainy. Rainy says we have a special secret today. Today's secret is in the question of the day.
What is can do?
Thank you, Etha. Today's secret is can do. You know, some people who cannot hear speak words by using their hands. This is how you say can do in American Sign Language. Can you sign and say it with me? Can do. Good, one more time. Can do. Oh, very good, young masters. And I'll bet Zuumi can tell us what can do means. Has anybody seen Zuumi?
I have. Hi, Mama Babe.
Oh, hi, Zuumi. Do you know today's secret?
Zumi loves secrets.
Well, today's secret is can do. What does can do mean?
Well, can do means you can do anything.
Anything?
Mm-hmm.
Can you learn to spell?
Can do. I can spell my name. Z-U-U-M-I. Zumi.
Oh, can you learn to read?
Can do.
Can you draw a picture?
Can do.
How about make a new friend?
Can do.
Oh, wow. How about being kind to someone?
Oh, can do.
Well, it sounds like you have a lot of can-do attitude.
Yes, I do. Hey, how about you, Mama Babe? Can you ride a bike?
Can do. But not in this dress.
Can you cook rice and beans?
Oh, can do.
Yeah.
My favorite.
How about turning the lights off when you're not using them?
Oh, most definitely can do. I mean, that's helping Mother Earth save energy.
Sure is. Hey, how about you? Can you say can do? Let's say it together. Can do.
Good job, young masters.
You know, can do is 2 words. The word can starts with the letter C. Can. And do starts with the letter D. Do. Hey, let's say it together.
Okay.
Can.
Can.
Do.
Can do. Good job, Zuumi.
Thanks. I'm glad we both can do.
Oh, me too, Zuumi. Me too.
So,
Yeah?
what's in the treasure chest today, Mama Babe?
Oh, you know.
Yeah?
It's today's heart.
Oh,
The color of the day.
yeah.
Are you ready? It's...
Yeah, it's blue. Oh, blue. I love blue.
Oh, me too. Can you name 3 things that are the color blue, Zuumi? Oh, while you think about it, can you name 3 things, young masters?
Oh, I got it.
You got it?
Ha. Blue eyes, blueberries,
Good.
and the sky.
Oh, the sky. Great job, Zuumi.
Thank you.
Oh, and let's see if you can find the color blue in our cartoon today.
Kiss your little brothers and sisters.
Mother Earth, Mother Earth, we thank you for the gifts that you give. Mother Earth, Mother Earth, we thank you for the love that you give. For all the oceans, for all the trees, rivers and the skies, for all the dragonflies, for all the animals and all the people, mountains all around us, fishes in the sea. Mother Earth.
You can take a break right now if you want, or you can keep going. Next, we're gonna dance with Miss Natalie.
Hello, it's me, Miss Natalie. Can you dance? Did I hear you say can do? Yes, you can. Every dancer has a can-do attitude. Let's dance for Mother Earth. Let's raise our hands up to the sun. Are you ready? Come on! Everybody stand up, follow me, and here we go. Let's go like a robot and pose. Hold it. Drum it out! Oh yeah, even harder. Let's hear it, even louder. Good, and robot, robot, other way. 2, 3, again. 1, 2, 3, other side. 1, 2, 3, and now we pose. Show me your other pose. Drum it out. see ya. You look like a robot. Freeze. Other side, anytime, anywhere. Again. Any kind of pose you want. Be patient. And big pose. And switch. Other side. And switch. Faster! Drum it out! Anywhere you want! Robot time. Other side. Good, guys. Ooh, you look so cool. And freeze! Nice, you guys! Great job, young masters. You may be seated.
Should we say hello to Mother Earth together? Okay, let's say hello, Mother Earth. One more time. Hello, Mother Earth. Where are you taking us today, Mother Earth? Oh, Mother Earth is taking us to Thailand today. Can you say Thailand? Good job. Are you ready for today's story? Okay, get comfortable. Come on, gather round, settle down, take a deep breath in and let it out. Let's go. Once upon a time, there was a girl named Samporn from the country called Thailand. When Samporn was a little girl, she didn't have a lot of money, but she learned to make dolls out of paper, and she made shadows on the wall to have fun. She learned all the things she could do to have fun, even if she didn't have any money. But she always said, "I can do." And as she grew up, she learned how to make things like dolls and beautiful clothing, and she could sell what she made to help her family. Would you like to meet Samporn? Yes, and see the beautiful things that she makes? Let's call her. Are you ready? Say, hello, Samporn. Let's do it again. Hello, Samporn.
สวัสดีค่ะ My name is Sampon Intarapayong. I come from Thailand. I am the artist. What I make like a draw, necklace.
Where do you make your art?
I can do everywhere. Like I have one needle and yarn. I sit on the bus, sit on the train and go somewhere. I bring with me. When I have something a little, I got do what I like to do at that time.
How old were you when you learned to make art?
I start to make the things when I 12 years old. That time I live with my auntie and my family, no money. I go to learn and live with my aunt, and what I need to have, I don't have money to buy. I have paper, I can cut like a doll, women, boy, and talking, pay by myself. I bring all the doll in my sleep room. Mosquito nest in my country, we sleep in mosquito net, and I live inside, sleep inside, and I make a shadow to pay by myself. That make I happy.
How do you make your art?
All this one come from indigo color, natural color, make by hand, sewing by hand. We make from the small piece. When I cut the cloth finish, I don't throw, I keep, and I make many color. Small piece can make put inside. And this one can make necklace, can make the bracelet. And if some piece I bring to make my doll, สวัสดีครับ and can paying too this one and small piece I make elephant this one can small pillow can put here and forgive people and make earring make ring make bracelet can do too.
How do you feel when you make your art?
When I start to make what I doing, my feeling เนี่ย when I agree what this one I want to make, when I do sewing I cannot stop. I follow only hand and the feeling really freedom, nothing. Like I delete everything what I thought I nothing. I only follow my hand, make happy, and when I do whole day non-stop because I happy. When finished, I look, oh, I can do everything I can do.
How did you like meeting Samporn? Oh, I did too. Did you see the color blue? Oh, I did. You're right, Samporn's shirt was blue. And how did meeting Samporn make you feel? Yes, yes, yes. She made me feel like I can do anything. So my question for you this week is, what new thing can you learn to do? Oh, good, good. Well, what do you say when someone wants to know if you can do something? Hey, when someone wants to know if I can do something, I say, I can do that. Next time, we're going to meet another beautiful artist. Until then, I want you to remember something. Did you know you're beautiful just the way you are? From your head down to your toes, made of stars and moonbeams. Did you know you're beautiful the way you are today? From the inside out, from the outside in, you're beautiful. You're beautiful. You're beautiful in every way. We'll see you next time. Oh, what's that, Rainy? Oh, Rainy says before we go, we should do the Young Masters Pledge. Stand up. Is everybody ready? Okay. Make a peace sign with your right hand, place it over your heart, and repeat after me. I promise
I promise
to use my gifts
to use my gifts
every day
every day
in every way,
in every way,
for I am a young master.
for I am a young master.
Peace.
Peace.
Oh, very good, young masters. What's today's secret? Can do. Can you sign and say it with me? Can do. Oh, one more time. Can do. Oh, good job. Now, can you repeat after me? I can do. Good. Now, this week, can you draw a picture of something you can do? And maybe you could use the color blue. Bye-bye, friends. We'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Zooming around and around.